In this video, I'm going to teach you Venmo card not working in store. So if your Venmo card is not working, what you can do is you can head over and fix this through this way. You can perform some in-store QR codes troubleshooting. If your QR code purchase is declined, it may be because you don't have enough money on your funding source to cover your purchase, or your selected credit or debit card to fund the payment declined the transaction. This can happen if you hit the limit with the card, among other reasons, or the merchant or Venmo declined to process the transaction. So if you can't get your in-store QR code to work, what you can do is you can head over to your phone, then head over to your settings and locate the Venmo permissions and make sure to enable camera for Venmo. In that way, they will have access to camera and they can scan the QR code from there. So it may be a process or it may actually work through this way. And you can also fix this by reaching out to the support. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.